Ah, yes. It's a very good day. It's a good thing that I won the lottery. It's a good thing that I won the lottery so I could buy this lovely LA mansion. Yeah. What a fucking good LA mansion this is. Oh, should I open the door? Down there. Fuck off, bitch. This is the man's cave. Shit. Remember, kids, if your wife is getting cheeky with you, boot her out the house. Tell her, boss man. Tell her who is boss. Mario, please! Oh, sorry. I was only joking, love. You can come back in. Ah! Die, you stupid bitch. A jerk, sorry about this, kids. Alright, close the door. Okay, Mario, I'll close the door. Why do you sound like a smoker? Have you been smoking? Oh. Bit of fucking cobweb on me, lads. Right, yeah. It's me, Spiky the Dragon, and now... Oh, fuck, I'm on steroids or something. Look, I'm a pushy, guys. You can now buy me from B&M for $5. I'm just gonna stand over here. Yeah, you go over there, boy. I'm gonna go to see what is on the back computer. Okay, let me just analyze this. The Joker has a fucking tank. Is he on coke, mate? As if this is a Ukraine fucking war, mate. I'm just gonna stand here because, well, yeah, somebody could just go. Be like, hello, Mikey Danger. What? No, I'm just gonna send this fucking fucking over. So I'm just gonna sit here. Let's see what. Now let's cut to the Joker's line. I'm so bored, guys. Why don't we try kill the PGTips monkey? Ha ha ha! Fuck you, Mr. Gru. I got a better idea. Why don't we steal his PGTips? Because he doesn't do the PGTips anymore. You fucking retard! You bald retard. That wasn't very nice. It was just very uncalled for. Oh yeah, why don't we steal Mario's girlfriend Peach, and we can make her be a stripper. Yeah, I'd really like that. Guys, stop being a pooky Tom, lads. I'm on drugs, mate. Oh, well, Brash, we'll get outside. I've got a better idea. Why don't we fucking kill him, boys? Why don't we kill him? But then we'll go to jail because murder bad. Wait, just shut up. Just shut up, okay? I know who we'll send. He likes cookies. He's blue. Is it Cookie Monster? Seriously, Cookie Monster, what's he gonna do? Ask him for a cookie? Let's find out. Ooga booga. No, he's a little ginger boy. Hello, little girl. Mario just did a pervert at the door. Alright, I'll sort him out, princess. Move out the way. Oh, it's just Cookie Monster, my old school pal. I flattened him. He's a flat cookie. Like Peach's tits. Can I come in, lad? Oh, you know what? Come in. Yeah. Just shut the door, lad. Are you Spiky? I'm anti-social. I'm joking. He's not. Oh, hello, Cookie Monster. How are you doing? I'm doing good, lad. Wait, this might be a trap from the Joker. How do we know he isn't? Because Cookie Monster's my friend. Are you dumb, bro? You not been listening? Get out. Fuck off. Oh, that was very nice. Okay, can I have a cookie, please? We ain't got any cookies. Alright, no, I'm leaving. Can you open the door, little girl? Duck, come back. Bye. Cindy closed the door. Goodbye, Cookie Monster. Shit, Pete, shut the door, shut the door. There we go. That was very stupid of him. Bye then. Ooh, they had no cookies. Why would you say? Do you know what? Why would you send Cookie Monster? Why would you send Cookie Monster, bro? You should have sent fucking Galactus, mate. He'd have fucking blown his head off, mate. He'd have gone bang, 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 bang. He'd have done that. Oh, I'm sorry. I tried hiring Cookie Monster, but clearly not. Do you know what? Get out of here, you fucking disappointment. I wanted cookies. Fucking disappointment, man. Why did I ever think that was a good idea? Please tell me why. Do you know what? Don't matter. I've got something planned for Monkey and Mario next week. They're gonna pay for what they did. Okay, anybody else got anything to say? No, I guess that's just gonna be the end of the video then. Bye.